All right, let's go over some problem solving. So we use the UPSLB method. So U is for understand. Understand is where you write down the character name, any important numbers that you have, and the labels for those important numbers. What do the important numbers represent? You write down what the question's actually asking you, and then you also want to write down your solution statement. So if somebody asks you that question, how could you answer them with a sentence? P is for picture and plan. When you create your picture, I want you to think about part, whole, and then also think about what two things are you comparing in this problem. Then you're going to create your plan. How am I actually going to solve it? What am I putting in the calculator? S is for solve, so you're going to solve your problem, use your calculator. And then LB, check your numbers, make sure you wrote the right numbers from the problem into your U section. Make sure you wrote those same correct numbers in the P and the S. Check your calculator, make sure you did the right operation, do what you meant to do. And then you're going to use a fact family problem to check your math. All right, so let's look at an example. Shannon and Mike went to the store to buy their mom a birthday present. Shannon bought a jewelry box that cost $21.50. Mike bought his mom a sweater that cost $15.99. When they added up how much they had left over, they discovered that they had $4.76. How much did they go to the store with? So first thing I want to do is I made my UPSLB, U, P, S, L, B. All right, and I'm going to type in the U section just so everyone can read it. So first thing, characters. Who's in my problem? Shannon and Mike. All right, next, my important numbers. I see $21.50. I see $15.99. And I see $4.76. All right, what are my labels for those important numbers? What do these important numbers even represent? This is the cost of the jewelry box. Oops. $15.99 is the cost of the sweater. $4.76 is money left over. All right, so now let's think about what is the question asking us. How much did they go to the store with? So how could I answer that in a statement? I could write Shannon and Mike went to the store with some number of dollars, because we don't know that answer yet. That's what we're looking to find out. All right, so let's go over to our picture, our plan section. All right, so I now have a whole. I'm going to have, I'll just make that like that. All right, so I know that I'm going to have, what is my whole? My whole is the total amount of money that I went to the store with, but I don't know what that is yet, so I'm just going to write a question mark, and that's my answer, because that's what I'm trying to find out, how much they go to the store with. I don't know, but I do know some of my parts. I know one part is $21, let's see if I can write this, and 50 cents. That's how much they spent on the jewelry box. JB for jewelry box. I know one part is $15.99. That's how much they spent on the sweater. And then I know one part is $4.76, and that is going to be our money left over. All right, so I know how much I spent on the jewelry box, I know how much they spent on the sweater, and I know how much they had left over, and all together that should add up to my whole, which is how much I went to the store with. So what is my plan? Well, to find out the whole, I know all my parts, so I need to add together how much I spent on the jewelry box plus how much I spent on the sweater, plus the amount of money left over, and that should give me my answer. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. Let's solve that problem. So $21.50 plus $15.99. All right, I'm going to use my Desmos calculator. So $21.50 plus $15.99, $37.49. So $37.49. All right, so now I'm going to add it back up and see, I need to add the amount that I had left over. That's how much I spent. So let's add that number plus, oops, the amount that I had left in the end. Oops, I forgot to type in the original number. Plus $4.76. $42.25. $42.25. All right, so now I get to my look back section. What do I do in my look back section? I check my numbers, check to make sure my plan makes sense, and use a fact family problem to check my work. So first let's check our numbers. So $21.50, $21.50, $21.50, $21.50, and I'm going to check in my calculator too. $21.50. Perfect. So $15.99, $15.99, $15.99, $15.99, $15.99. Perfect. $4.76, $4.76, $4.76, $4.76, $4.76. All right. $37.49. $37.49. Oops. $42.25. $42.25. So I've checked all my numbers. Good. Does my plan make sense? Let me think. I want to know how much they went to the store with. If I add up the amount that they spent, the jewelry box, the sweater, plus the amount they had left over, that should tell me how much I had in the beginning. All right, so how can I use a fact family statement to double check my answer? I could do the thing that I think is my answer, $42.25. And I'm going to subtract the amount that I spent, because this is how much I came to the mall with, and I subtract the amount that I think I spent. Let's see. So I'm going to do this in my calculator. So $42.25 minus $37.49. $4.76 is what should be left over. $4.76 is what's left over. Perfect. So I checked it off. I'm good to go. And now I know that I have the correct answer. All right, that's it.